Hi all, this is my November design team project for Wild Rose Bohemian, and I'm using the Nutcracker pages from Wild Rose Bohemian and from Petals and Parchment that are doing a collab this month with these papers. So I did a flip-flop journal. I've never done one before. I use security envelopes, which are the same size as regular junk mail envelopes. They're just a little bit thicker that I used for my actual base on this. I have some stickles on my little nutcracker, and I use some gold gelding racks around everything else. This is kind of some stretchy lace, so it makes it easy to tie around this big thing. So I have tags here, and these are Elizabeth's backing papers here. I have a little envelope with a little bitty nutcracker inside, and a journaling card here, and then a tag, another tag, a little notebook, and I used Christmas music paper for the base on all of the signatures, and then attached all of the pieces, bits and pieces from the two different creators. And they kind of match really well together. They did a great job of syncing these all together. This is one of the freebies for everybody that's participating in the collaboration or watching the collaboration. And that one's from Wild Rose Bohemian. This was in Elizabeth's kit. I have a little angel charm. I'm looking for some ballet slippers and dancers, but I haven't been able to find them here in town, but I'm still on a search for those, for the charms for this. Little fussy cut there, some tags here, a couple of tags. We Are Memories Keeper eyelet here at the top of those decorations. I have a couple of those. There's 3 little teeny tags here, a tag here, little flip out, a couple of little journaling cards that opens up. There's writing spots that everything's backed and can be written on. I did do stitching around most of the tags and journaling cards. Some candy from the Sugarplum, and the collaboration is called Sugarplum Stories, if I didn't say that, and it will be running through, I think, the 20th of November. There's more details on my page and both of the groups if you're interested in joining the groups. And then this will lay completely out flat, so if you want to write on things, you have the spots that you can write on them. Little envelope here with the tag down inside. Fussy cuts are beautiful that are for these kits. Another little notebook. The little tags with the Prince mouse on them. These are a couple of little postcards that I've backed here. Here's another one. And then they're all backed so that there's writing space. If you want to make lists or Christmas presents or what somebody gave you, there's plenty of room in this that you could do that. If you just want to keep your thoughts. Journal about December and the holidays. There's not a lot of blank pages in this. I have a hidden paper clip here, and then a hidden journaling spot here. A little tag. Another one. Another little library card. belly band with the tag behind it. This is a little flip out, has a journaling card here and a tag in this pocket. And then we're to the back side where the last signature is. And so just some embellishments here. A hidden paper clip at the top of this page, and then a little waterfall flip down, and then a little notebook that opens up, and then the hidden paper clip also holds this little tag on. I have two tags here. Another little flip up with a pocket and an envelope, the tag inside. A tag here, an envelope with a tag inside of it. And this is just pretty much embellishments. There's an envelope here with another little tag. But these graphics are just beautiful. I added a little stickle to the snowflake because, you know, it's got a shimmer and shine. A little journaling card here in this belly band, and there's little envelopes, and each envelope has a little journaling card inside of it. Well, it does come out. There you go. A library pocket with a card inside of it, and I did some stamping on the back of this so it wasn't just plain stark white. Another tag, another little notebook, another journaling card here, tag here, and then this page has a little tag here and folds back, and another one of the little postcards behind this little guy, and then you're back to the front of the journal. I hope you enjoyed the flip through. Thanks very much. I will attach at the bottom of my journal, I will put the Ko-Fi shops and the Etsy shops for Petals and Parchment, and for Wild Rose Bohemian if you're interested in picking these up. Thanks for watching.